I'm going hands-on with the best gear and gadgets at CES Unveiled 2022. Welcome everybody to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here, and I am at CES Unveiled 2022 to check out the best gear and gadgets, starting off with this new backpack from Targus. The new Cyprus Hero backpack integrates with Apple's Find My technologies to make sure that you never lose track of it again. You can see where it is built in here, as well as the speaker holes there, and it has a 1-year coin cell battery built into it. It integrates directly into the Find My app, similar to how an AirTag works, but because it is all built into the backpack itself, you don't need to add an additional AirTag. Plus, the entire backpack is made from 26 recycled plastic bottles, which means that this stylish backpack is also good for the environment. Of course, because it is a tech backpack, there is a good pouch in the back to hold your iPad or your MacBook. It is a very easy to carry backpack. It is very comfortable. There is plenty of padding on the shoulder pads down the back. Overall, a great looking backpack and an award honoree from Targus. Withings' new body scan is its latest take on the smart scale, a category it basically invented. It still has a tempered glass top as well as a bunch of new sensors built into it. It all syncs back to the Withings Health app, but it'll also go to Apple Health as well, like the rest of the Withings portfolio. Now, what is new this year that is so cool is that it has built-in abilities to measure both your nerve activity as well as administer an ECG right from the scale itself. You can pull up this retractable handle, which has 4 stainless steel electrodes on the bottom for a 6-lead ECG. It can do all of that as well as measure your vascular health, and this does tie into Withings' new wellness and health program that you can use to help get a more healthy you. Next up on our list is a new faucet from Moen. Now, this new faucet from Moen does not support Apple HomeKit, unfortunately, but it is too cool not to show off. So basically, you can now use gestures to control the faucet, but depending on which way you move your hand, it'll do something different. So swiping to the right can activate hot water, swiping down can do cold water, and swiping towards it will go ahead and turn it off. It is the first faucet of its kind to use this new directional sensor to change the water's temperature and action based on how you're moving your hand. It will work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can dispense a certain temperature of water or water to a certain degree or amount. Maybe you only want to dispense a cup of water or water to a certain temperature. That you can do with Amazon's Assistant as well as Google Assistant, but unfortunately not HomeKit yet. It'll be coming in 2 different versions, one with a handle and one with that sleek, modern, no-handle look. By the way, it is Wi-Fi connected, and yet it runs on battery. There is a power adapter if you prefer to go the hardwired route. Senglend has some new HomeKit gear this year. They have a few new lights, including the light strip that works with HomeKit, but what they're really touting is their new window and door sensor. Works with Zigbee as well as HomeKit, so you can automate your lights in your home, open a door, turn on your lights, everything like that works with HomeKit, and you can control any other HomeKit devices. There is a new Zigbee and HomeKit motion sensor, and finally, there is a new water sensor as well that all will work with Apple HomeKit, joining the other HomeKit-enabled products from Senglend that debuted in 2021. Colgate has a new line of toothbrushes. There are multiple new toothbrushes that all integrate with your iPhone. You can see in the phone how you've brushed your teeth. It'll allow you to track your progress and earn smile points that can then be redeemed for replacement heads for the brush itself. It's very cool to see how well you're actually brushing your teeth, and we've seen a few of these iPhone connected toothbrushes, and this is just the latest, and it's coming in at a more affordable price tag than some of the higher end competitors. Unfortunately, Colgate was unable to confirm whether or not the new Hum toothbrush integrated into Apple Health like many others do. Loftie is a company you may not have heard of, but they are right now on the market with this smart clock, which is very different, and it's designed to help you sleep better. But what is new for this year is its new Loftie Lamp. This new lamp will help mimic the sunrise and sunset to help you get a better sleep and disconnect from your phone. It can mimic different sunrises from all around the world, such as Joshua Tree that starts off nice and low at the bottom and moves all the way up the stem. The Loftie lamp will be debuting later this year. We have the new ChessUp board after a successful Kickstarter campaign. they are ready to move into production and start shipping these units out. This board is incredibly cool and can help beginners as well as pros hone their game. Every time you touch a piece, it will show your available moves on the board and rate them from good, bad, or better. So you can see ones that you should not move, like the reds, but ones that are good moves to take, like the green ones there. It's really great for beginners who are just learning the game and helping get better analytics and the AI to determine what is or isn't a good move to make with a specific piece, as well as what motions they can take on the board. This was incredibly popular in its Kickstarter campaign, and it's really neat to see it finally coming to life. Pivo is a great way for content creators to record themselves without having a dedicated cameraman, and the new version is even better. So this is the existing version of Pivo, and it uses AI to actually move your iPhone as you move. So it'll actually track a subject and move around to keep that subject in the frame. But the new version of Pivo with the pod, it can now move up and down as well as left and right. You can see it can tilt there in the center, so it'll use AI to follow subject, or you can use the remote. They say they're also coming out with a new MagSafe version for the original Pivo as well. This is the Invoxia dog collar, and it is a GPS dog collar, but it does much more than that. So it comes in multiple colors, and it can give you your dog's location at any time using GPS and cellular signal. But it is also able to get your heart rate of your dog and monitor the vascular health of your dog non-invasively. The company says 1 in 5 dogs suffer from heart complication in their lifetime, and getting ahead of it is the best remedy. So you can see in the app itself what your dog has been doing during the day, eating, barking, sleeping, all of that, as well as how many steps it's taken. But you can also see their heart and how healthy your dog's heart is. So all of that on top of the GPS tracking makes this a really enticing buy for dog owners. It does come with a monthly subscription of $13 though, after the initial $99 price point of the collar itself, which isn't much compared to many other GPS pet collars that are already out there on the market. And it worked much better than an AirTag for tracking the real-time location of your pet. Finally, we have a quick update from Mila. So Mila makes smart home appliances. We have already on the market the regular Mila air purifier, which looks really great. That's what we're looking at here. For 2022, they're introducing a new humidifier into their lineup. But if we look at the Mila for 1 second, the company has confirmed to AppleInsider that they are bringing HomeKit support to their existing air purifier. So if you are really liking the design of the Mila, how nice this blends into your home, and the incredible app that goes with, then you should be excited because they are looking to bring HomeKit support to the device as soon as possible. They already have it working, and they're just waiting on final certifications before it is able to roll out to existing users. So that's it. We have much more to come from CES 2022. Stay tuned to AppleInsider for everything you need to know.